The Department of Higher Education and Training is investigating the owners of a suspected fraudulent international university. The investigation is premised on allegations that an illegal private institution is operating in central Pretoria. The department decided to follow up on this matter after receiving several complaints from prospective students, and of course the Republic also reporting that there is a suspected bogus institution operating under the name Shepherd Bushiri University. Dr. Shaida Esek is the Director of Registration of Private Higher Education Institutions, and she joins us from our studios in Pretoria. Dr. Esek, good morning to you and thank you so much for coming through. First things first, is the Shepherd Bushiri International University registered with the Department of Higher Education?
Good morning, Palesa, and thank you for inviting us. The Shepherd Bushiri International University is not a university. Now, we have 26 universities in this country. The Shepherd Bushiri International University is not one of them. And it is not even registered with the department to offer higher education programs, including degrees and diplomas. So that's the first fact we are able to establish. We have begun an investigation. The investigation currently reveals that they haven't begun offering degrees and diplomas yet. But there are students in classes, there are students enrolled supposedly on short courses. So we are continuing with the investigation and we hope to conclude that shortly.
All right. We've read reports, Dr. Esek, the spokesperson of the university, saying that, as you said, they're not yet fully operational, but they would be once their paperwork is complete. Have they, put in papers for an application with the Department of Higher Education? And these short courses that they're offering, how do they go about offering short courses if they're not registered?
Okay.